Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find notifications and status bar. As you can see in the status bar section, on the second position we've got show battery percentage on status bar. So let me tap on it, and here we've got three different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got do not display option set. Of course we've got only the battery icon on the status bar, but we can set also outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So of course it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Just tap on the one you'd like to set. This is how it will look like with the battery percentage inside the icon, and this is how it will look like with the percentage next to the battery icon. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.